mine. Intex Challenger K1. It came all the way from Amazon. Alright, let's take a look. One paddle. Seat. Manual. Don't need it. So this is the pump. Just a kayak here. You're gonna need hammer, measure tape. You need a wrench or plier, filer, saw, marker, PVC pipe, cement. You want to leave like an inch, so this one's too long. I'm going to cut it off a little bit. 1.5 inches. Oh yeah. Bend this one in the opposite. A little bit, not too much, just a little bit. So you need 2 of these. Now I have 4 of these. You don't have to put too much, just put a little bit. Now you get your 2-inch pipe and the shuffle in there and then power it in. Grab the next one. Put glue in one side here. So pound that one. This one. Right. Now I'm gonna take it out, and I want to put glue inside. Match with the line you will mark it. Really, really tough. So power it in quick. Pound it. And then you're gonna put it like this, but before you do that, you want to make sure it's straight, and then you want to mark it. You want to mark the line. Mark the line. Take this one out, and then put glue on this one. And then line up with that where you mark it, and then pound it in. Same thing on the other side. Put glue on it. The base shape, it should look like this. Okay, now we're gonna put this inside the kayak. So you're gonna put this between the fold. So make sure this bridge face down.
Like that?
Yeah. Make sure the indented part go against the front of the kayak. Then mark a line right here. Okay. Now we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna put glue on it. And this thing, we're gonna put it like this. Do it fast. No mistake, and then you are done. Let's put the top in there. Glue. Glue in there. Kapow! Kapow! Measure all the way there. They are the same length. Yep. And you put it. Can we share they are the same length? Alright, just two pieces right here. I'm going to put inside here. This one. Put this one in there. Two. Yeah, make sure this both of these stay here. A line between these two right here, and this one right here. So when you take it out, you know where exactly the spot is. Okay. All right. Or like this. Damn, what's so noisy? Cup holder. See any sharp edges? So now I'm gonna mount it to this bracket right here. I just built. So I just leave it like that. Break off this piece. There. Alright, so you're going to mark right here. Right here. This pipe is really soft. Broken teeth right here. It's gonna sit on this bar right here. Put a screw inside. And okay, put the nuts here. The screw in there. Just put a washer here, and I'll put the nuts here. Just hold this side. This also support the basket to stay level. Push it in like that. This thing won't scratch the kayak. This thing just rubbing the kayak. Alright guys, this is going to be the last part of my project, and right now I'm making a GoPro mount. So I'm going to use a 1/2 inch pipe, 22 inches. So this thing, it comes like this, but it turns 360 degrees. Okay, so this is just a sprinkler, and then I also grab a sprinkler pipe. First we need to drill the hole right here for the GoPro mount, a 1/4 right here. This is a 7/16 and this is a 1/4, and I want to put some Loctite, just the bottom, don't put on the top, and then you put it inside. Okay, now you're gonna start tightening this until come out on the other side. That's perfect right there. Alright, so now we're gonna put this together. GoPro right here. Ta-da, ta-da. I also got this little sprinkler pipe right here, and this is gonna go in here. Then you need one of these fitting right here. This is a 1/2 inch too. It's already dry, man. Well, this thing, when you put it inside, it's loose, so I have to do something. Maybe I have to put like two screws here. Maybe I put one this side or one on this side. I want to insert this 1/2 inch inside. We're gonna heat up this 1 inch pipe here until this becomes soft. Alright, now we're gonna try to insert this 1/2 inch all the way in. So now you're gonna put this 1/2 inch inside here. There you go. Yeah, it's just up to you how long you want your GoPro mount to be. So this just in case if your GoPro comes off, or also for a safety, could be a safety flag. This one's gonna go here, and then the whole reason earlier what I was doing is this thing gonna go here. So this thing gonna be like removable. If you don't need it, you just take it out. Always put one corner first. So there you go. So this is the project that I've been holding out on for a long time. So, but I apologize for that. This is it. Like a hot rod boat. I'm so excited taking this kayak to the lake. Alright guys, so I hope you guys got some ideas to build your own, and take care. See you at the lake.